It is said that it takes 10,000 hours to become an expert. But how about 135 years? That's what it takes to create a modern-day Parker pen. Decades spent mastering the tiniest details. A lifetime spent reinventing shape and form. And another lifetime spent finding the perfect symbiosis between form and function. Hundreds of filed patents witnessing perfection in progress. Countless steps on a path first paved in 1888. George S. Parker believed that it would always be possible to make a better pen. A belief made of the ambition to create something exceptional and made from the relentless care for even the smallest details. 135 years later, and we still live by the same belief. 135 years later, and now it is ready to become yours. Parker, celebrating 135 years of craftsmanship.